Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 7 to the power of 12 minus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to what? So we simplify this algebraic expression into the lowest form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here first we need to focus into the exponent of this term. So the exponent of this term is 12 and we write this 12 as 9 plus 3 and minus from here we have this is 7 to the power of 3. So in the next step we need to use here the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we will break the exponent of this term. So when we break the exponent of this term, it will be written as 7 to the power of 9 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3 minus this is also 7 to the power of 3. And further you see here both of these two terms involve 7 to the power of 3, so that we will take common 7 to the power of 3 from here and we get the remaining values are from here we get 7 to the power of 9 minus from here we will get here 1 only. And further here we need to rewrite this expression as this is 7 to the power of 3 into here we write this 7 to the power of 9 as 7 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. And here we use another exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we need to move this 3 inside the term. So when we move this 3 inside the term, it will be written as 7 to the power of 3 into 7 to the power of 3 and its whole cubed minus 1. And here our first target is to find the value of 7 to the power of 3. So that here first we need to find this value. So we choose or we will just take here first 7 to the power of 3. And you very well know about that. The meaning of 7 to the power of 3 is that we multiply 7 with 3 times. And you see that this is 7 times of 7 becomes here 49 multiplied by 7. So here you see that you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. That's why we need to do all of the working on this paper. So here we need to multiply 7 on both of these two terms, and when we multiply 7 by 9, so you get here 7 9 is 63. We write 3 and carry 6. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 becomes 34. So this means that 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 343. So we need to replace this value into this expression. So when we substitute this value to the above expression, our above expression is implies that this is 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 343 into when we put it here it will becomes 343 whole cubed, and this is minus 1. So here we write this minus 1 as 1 cubed. So here we need to use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this nice formula, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So we need to just substitute the above values of a and b into the right hand side of this below formula. So after substituting here, it will be written as first we have 343 into, now we apply this formula on here and it will becomes 343 minus 1 into this is a square. So our a is 343 square plus ab. So again our a is 343 and b is 1. and plus b square, so b is 1 square. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is 343 is multiplied by each of these terms, and this is 343 minus 1 becomes here 342, and from here we get we need to find the square of 343, and plus 343 times 1 becomes 343, and 1 square equals to 1 only. So here we have we divide this expression into three parts. So here first we need to multiply these two values. This is our first part, and after that we need to find the square of this value. This is our second part. So first we need to find these two products, and at the last we sum up all of these values and we easily simplify this equation. Okay, so that here first we need to take these two values, or we just take here our first part. So in first part we need to multiply these two terms, and it will be written as 343 is multiplied by 342, because we need to do all of these steps only because calculator is not allowed in this problem. That's why we need to do all of these simplifications. And now here we need to break this 342 as this is 343 into we break this 342 as 300 plus 40 and plus 2. So first we need to simplify these terms, and then we substitute this back to this expression. So here we have this is 300. We need to multiply 343 each of these values, and it will becomes 343 multiplied by 300 and plus 343 multiplied by 40 plus 343 is multiplied by 2. So you get here we need to consider this is one digit number, this is our three-digit number. So when we multiply 0 with this value you get 0, and 0 when we multiply 0 with this value you get 0, and 3 times of this number equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 becomes here 10. And in the same pattern we multiply these two numbers. So we consider this is one digit number, this is our two-digit number. 0 times of this number equals to 0, 4 times 3 becomes 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, we write 7 and carry 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 becomes here 13, and plus we multiply 2 with this number you get here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and again 2 3s are 6. So we need to sum up all of these three values, and you will get here this is 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes 6. This 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 2 plus 8 becomes 10, we write 0 and carry 1. So 9 plus 7 becomes 16, 16 plus 6 becomes 22, 22 plus 1 is 23, we write 3 and carry 2. So this is 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and at the last we will get here 1 only. So this is the product of 343 and 300. And now here in the next step we need to find first the second part, and our second part is 343 whole square. So in order to solve the second part we will take here our second part. So second part is that 343 whole square. So we write this 343 as 343 multiplied by 343. So we again break this value, and it will be written as 343. We write it as this is 300 plus 40 plus 3. So now we multiply 343 on each of these values, and it will be written as 343 is multiplied by 300, and plus 343 is multiplied by 40 plus 343 is multiplied by 3. So here we need to multiply all of these three values according to the above method. So here again we consider this is one digit number, this is our two-digit number. So 0 times of this number becomes 0, this 0 times of this number is also becomes 0, 3 times of this number equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 becomes here 10. And Here again we need to multiply these two numbers, and you get here 343. If you see above steps, we already multiply 343 with 40. We just copy down this answer here. Okay, so after copy down of this answer, it will be written as 13720. And now here we need to multiply these two values. So this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, 3 4s are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So here at the last we need to sum up all of these values, and we get here 342 square. So for this we need to first add 0 plus 0 plus 9 becomes 9. This 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and this 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 0 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So this 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and this is our 1 only. So this is the square of 343. So that now we need to back substitute the value of 343 square and the product of these two values, which we get here. We put these two values on these two parts to the above equation. So here, after substituting these two values to the above parts, it will be written as so first we will put here 117306 into 117649 plus this is 343 and plus 1. So now we need to sum up first all of these values, and at the last we multiply it with the 117306. So we add, this is 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 is 13. We write 3 and carry 1. So this is 4 plus 4 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is 6 plus 3 is 9, and we get here 711. So further we need to multiply these two bigger numbers here, so that first we write this value, it is 117993, and we break this value as this is 1 0 0 0 0 and 0, because we have after 1 we have these are 5 zeros. Okay, and plus after that we just write here this is a 1 and 4 zeros. After that we choose this one and we write these 4 zeros, and plus we write this 7 and 3 zeros, and plus we write here 3 and 2 zeros, plus this is 0 and at the last we get here only 6. Okay, so here we need to multiply this value on each of these values. And now here in the last step we need to multiply this value on each of these values. So it will be written as, when we multiply this number with this, we just add these 5 zeros here, and it will be written as 117993 and 5 zeros, plus when we multiply this with this, it will be written as 117993 and this is 4 zeros, and when we multiply this with this, it will be written as 0 0 0, and we multiply 7 with these numbers. So you get here 7 3s are 21. We write here 1 and carry 2. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2 65. We write 5 and carry 6. Again 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6 becomes 69. We write 9 and carry 6. So 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 6 becomes 55. We write 5 and carry 5. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5 becomes here 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And plus here likewise we multiply this with 300, and it will be written as 0 0, and we multiply 3 with these numbers. You get here 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. We write 7 and carry 2. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 29. We write 9 and carry 2. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 becomes 23. We write 3 and carry 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 1s are 3, and at the last we multiply this 6 with all of these values, and it will be written as 6 3s are 18. We write 8 and carry a 1 here, and 6 9s are 54 plus 1 becomes 55. We write 5 and carry 5. Again 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 5 becomes 59. We write 9 and carry 5. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 5 becomes 47. We write 7 and carry 4. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So here at the final step, we need to sum up all of these values and we will get here our final answer. So here we move towards the summation of the values. So you get here, this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 becomes here 8. And this 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 becomes here 5. So this 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 plus 9 becomes here 18. We write 8 and carry 1. So this 0 plus 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 1 plus 7 becomes 8. 8 plus 7 becomes 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So this is 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 9 becomes 17. 17 plus 0 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. So we have, this is 3 plus 9 becomes here 30. And 3 plus 9 becomes 12. 12 plus 9 becomes 21. 21 plus 3 becomes 24. 24 plus 7 becomes 31. We write 1 and carry 3. So again we have a 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 5 becomes 23. 23 plus 5 becomes 28. 28 plus 3 becomes 31. We write 1 and carry 3. Again we have 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 2 becomes 18. 18 plus 3 becomes 21. 21 plus 3 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. So this is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and at the last we will get here 1 only. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.